ये तो हमारी जमानतें जब्त हो जाएगी, सबको एक टैक्स लगा देंगे तो फिर हम पार्टी विद डिफरेंस क्या रहेंगे। तो ये सब बातें हुई। मैंने कहा जेटली साहब आप डिस्क्रिप्शन पे भरोसा करते हो? नहीं नहीं, क्यों डिस्क्रिमिनेशन पे भरोसा करते हो? साइकोलॉजी फॉरगेट अबाउट अर्थक्रांति, नो। आप ऊंचा नीचा देखना चाहते हो किसको, तो इसमें क्यों देखना चाहते हो ऊंचा नीचा? रहेगा तो सबको 2%, अंबानी के इनकम पे ही 2% रहेगा ना
सर, उसके ऊपर ही तो पूरा पॉलिटिक्स चलता है।
I know that. I can't say that. I can't be obnoxious. I need to be very simple and genuine. And I was. He said, no, that is true. I understand the proposal. At the end of the, even Sushma Swaraj, when the constitutional amendment question came, as he rightly said, she said there is no constitutional amendment required. But if there is required, we can do it. We will do constitutional amendment every day. This kind of correction we have done so far after independence. This type of is not big and small. Any financial system correction we have done 366 corrections so far in after independence. This is not a big deal. हाँ, इसका अर्थ नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ करेक्शन, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं कर बोल रहा हूँ, ये करेक्शन जो अभी अर्थक्रांति करना चाहता है वैसे हमने विदाउट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन चेंज वी हैव डन 360 टाइम्स सम स्मॉल बिल्स वी पुट, वी प्रिपेयर्ड अ बिल आल्सो टू बी पुट ऑन द पार्लियामेंट, द बिल इज आल्सो रेडी नाउ। Sure, I will show you research paper, bill, everything. See, this is all for public domain, for sharing. What I am trying to say, in the BJP parliamentary board, everybody other than Yashwant Sinha at the end agreed. Even Jaitley said that, yeah, I understand, we have to have we have to completely do the whole changing of our taxation system, completely and overall our system. I completely understand that. Subramanian Swamy said, I am an economist, and if anybody has a question on this, technically contact me. This is the parliamentary board. I know Ramdev Baba has taken this up, definitely. He has understood of his own way. It's like elephant and stories, of the blind people. Because that's how it is. I'm not blaming anyone, it's a fact. But हमें मालूम है कि जब ये शुरू हुआ है 7 साल में आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग ने हमको कितने फोरम दिए हैं इसके. And why I'm saying that, because the forum was of all the people who are middle class, down the class, upper class. And all these things we floated. There are 2600 presentation happened. The topmost the attendee was Pratibha Patil, and the lowermost was the farmer in Andhra. And the farmer asked me a question in that presentation 3 months back in Andhra, the Chittur district. I'm still not getting the names well. In the Andhra, and he said, "Sir, मैं आज तो एक भी टैक्स नहीं भरता हूँ, मैं क्यों 2% टैक्स भरूंगा?" तो मैंने कहा, आप कपड़ा खरीदते हो उस पर टैक्स देते हो कि नहीं? डीजल खरीदते हो टैक्स देते हो कि नहीं? हल खरीदते हो टैक्स देते हो कि नहीं? तो टैक्स नहीं देते, ये इल्यूजन है. Indirect taxes are dangerous because they are part of the price. Any farmer or any person who has 20 rupees per day income buying a Parle glucose biscuit pack, the 4% of that goes to central government revenue. That transaction when it happens, it's a fact because it is indirect. It is included in the price. You don't know it. तो illusion में हम रह सकते हैं कि हम टैक्स नहीं दे रहे. मैंने बोला तुमको ये टैक्स नहीं देना है तो तुम कितना पैसा बचा? 2% देने में क्या? अब तुम तो करते ही हो ना कि 10,000 का काम है, 200 रुपया कोई लाश लेके कर देगा क्या? हाँ, वो क्यों करते हो? वो सिंपल है ना, हमको हेडेक नहीं चाहिए. तो कीप दैट अप्रोच ना इन डिफरेंट कंस्ट्रक्टिव वे, दैट आई एम पेइंग 2%, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग अबाउट इट. सो दिस इज द वन थिंग. गो डाउन. एंड व्हाई दिस इज गो डाउन? इंटर ओपन योर डोर, एवरीबडी नोस. This is a distribution which can be definitely discussed and which can be definitely addressed. See, this 2% itself is motion. I'll tell you, the simulation, Mr. Raghunath Mashelkar, who is board of Tata and Reliance, he asked us to do simulation. We did 77 pages simulation of this. And I think after the system is settled or the phase implementation is done, we do not need more than 0.7% transaction tax. We do not need. इतनी कैश इकोनॉमी अगर बैंक में आ जाएगी ना सर, ट्रांजैक्शन किस रेट पे चलेंगे आपको पता नहीं है.
अच्छा सर, ये जो सिस्टम आप बता रहे हैं, इससे हम लोग जो कॉमन पीपल ट्रांजेक्शन करते हैं ये सब कंट्रोल हो जाएगा या ये सब अकाउंट में आ जाएगा?
नहीं, देखो ना, नहीं प्रावधान है ना.
नहीं सर, वो नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, लेकिन हमको तो जो कंट्रोल करना है, जो पॉलिटिशियन करते हैं उसको कंट्रोल करना है.
ब्लैक मनी कैसे कंट्रोल? ये लीकेज, दैट इज ऑल प्रोविजंस आर देयर. See, politicians कहाँ से पैसा लाते हो? I don't blame politician too much because I have seen worse politicians than our politician putting together. One worse politician I have seen in US, George Bush. I'm honestly telling you, Lalu and all these people are not even pickpocketers for in front of him. I'm serious. He is such a dread. So these people will have to just shift their course. जो मैंने टोल बूथ का कंसेप्ट बताया, जो गवर्नेंस का वो डालेंगे तो पीपल विल कम. शरद पवार himself told us in one meeting that we are all vulnerable as a politician in this country. ये फैक्ट है सर. ये समझने के बाद लोग जो बोलते हैं, he is not in populist public meeting, he was telling us, said we are all vulnerable in this country because of this economy we are surviving, black economy. तो ये फैक्ट है. पॉलिटिशियन को उनको भी कोई रास्ता नहीं है. See, everybody is selling problems. Everybody in this country is discussing problems. Anybody has told a solution?
नहीं, वो उसमें हाफ नॉलेज है. ब्लैक वो अपना पॉलिटिशियन करप्ट होने वाले जो है हाफ नॉलेज.
नहीं,
क्योंकि बहुत सी चीजें हैं जो हमारे यहाँ लीगल है, लेकिन हम उसको
illegal बना रहे हैं.
One of them is, you know,
I have one small question. Have you included the charity commissioner in this?
Like,
or organizations which run, like say for example, the Tirupati temple. Nobody will deposit, probably you have people will depositing $20, $30, any denomination less than 50. At the end of the day or end of the month or end of the year, you realize that they've got humongous amount. What happens to that?
see,
बैंक में डिपॉजिट करेंगे ना वो.
उनको देखो, जो भी अभी बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैश में डोनेशन लेते हैं ना, नहीं लेते हैं थोड़ी है चैरिटी के लिए, लेकिन उनको बैंक में आने के लिए कोई जरिया तो चाहिए. मैं आपको लिख के देता हूँ सर, कोई भी आदमी उसके पास बहुत कैश पड़ी है, उसको बोलेंगे एक वॉलंटरी डिक्लेरेशन स्कीम लाएंगे, 1 साल में जमा करो, वो करेगा नहीं, ऐसा मुझे लगता नहीं है. आप 1 करोड़ का फ्लैट कैश में खरीद सकते हो, लेकिन रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं होगा तो क्या करेंगे आप? 2% के लिए वो 1 करोड़ छुपाएंगे? नहीं छुपाएंगे सर. देयर हैज टू बी वे आउट. टुडेज प्रॉब्लम इज एवरीबडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रॉब्लम, देयर इज नो सॉल्यूशन. कैसे करेंगे? आप कभी भी किसको भी सुनो, जो भी डिबेट चलते हैं टीवी पे कहीं भी, लोग प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस बहुत अच्छा करते हैं. सॉल्यूशन बताओ ना, तो सुने हम कुछ करें. सॉल्यूशन नहीं है किसके पास.
So in the banking system, I come from a banking system, a private bank,
Sure.
corporate finance and all. The problem is, aren't we, now bank, as you correctly said, banking system will assume a huge important role of tax collection. So would it be too loud to say this that nationalization of the banks is important then? Because I don't trust private banks, I don't know private banks. How will you prevent these banks making a super astronomical profits? अभी वो 30 to 30% growth दिखा रहे हैं. Very small statistics. We have gone down from an 8.59% economy to a 4% economy.
And bank is got
But bank is 30% profit year on year.
बस वो भी देर आल्सो हिडन.
हाँ नहीं.
ये पार्टिसिपेटरी नोट क्या होता है सर, जो शेयर बाजार में इन्वेस्ट होता है, क्या होता है?
All instruments are
किधर से आता है पैसा वो?
So in that sense, when I am giving the bank a huge responsibility of tax collection and I am removing his corporate tax, तो क्या भरोसा, जैसे there was a question coming from behind, कि क्या भरोसा बैंक इंटरेस्ट रेट कम रहेगा? मैं बोलता हूँ इंटरेस्ट रेट छोड़ो. How will you prevent banks from making super astronomical profits? I mean today my corporate tax
बैंक का again I will go back. If you ask are you why to any question, you will come to the same thing. Because I don't have a solution. I'm telling you. क्यों करते हैं? अभी किसकी बात हो रही थी बीच में कि कोई टैक्स क्यों डुबाता है, या क्यों पैसा कैश में रखता है, क्यों रियल एस्टेट में जाता है, क्यों एजेंट ब्रोकर की बात चल रही थी, ब्रोकर लोग इतना पैसा, ये क्यों आया है ब्रोकरशिप? बिकॉज देयर इज नो सिस्टम टू गेट द थिंग्स स्ट्रेट. अगर आपको क्यू में खड़े करके सब चीजें मिल जाएगी, या एक फोन पे लाइट कनेक्शन मिल जाएगा, पानी मिल जाएगा, तो आप क्यों करेंगे ये सब? ये सब बैंकिंग. सी फेडरल रिजर्व बैंक इज व्हाट बैंक? एनीबडी नोज इन यूएस? इज इट अ प्राइवेट बैंक और गवर्नमेंट बैंक?
प्राइवेट बैंक.
It's a private bank run by 29 families. I written a book of 700 pages just now. It will get published next month. Economic history from the Titanic sunk and the Lehman Brothers sunk. In 96 years, whatever happened in the world is because of some families. It's a fact. Federal Reserve has a 20 billion average income profit every year. Federal Reserve is a bank which is lending on American government $16 trillion loan debt of that bank. ये private है. Because control नहीं है ना सर. This system will give a control. Why this bank transaction tax? If you read the American Senate proposal, it has because the first person to bring the bank transaction tax background was Abraham Lincoln, then John F. Kennedy, who said they stop this bank, make this nationalized bank first. That exactly he said. That never happened.
But you got my concern, right? Because I would be making banks who already they are quite strong. They are in the way they are bullies of the economy. I consider them as bullies because कोई तरीका नहीं है start of buying income to escape them. So now with such huge responsibility, प्राइवेट बैंकों के हाथ में हो तो फिर तो
कैसे करेंगे? उनको हिस्सा तो देना पड़ेगा, ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन है, ट्रांसपेरेंट है।
Let me give you an example of what has happened. The only way this can be controlled is that you know that the CAG is the auditor of the government, right? Anything which has got either commercial interest into the government or out of the government, CAG has to audit. Logically, if the banks become the tax collection machinery of that, it will have to be audited by the CAG.
Completely.
The competitive pressure in the economy, even with the new banks which are coming in now, as a matter of fact, the most, I agree with you on the bullies of the bank being the bullies, but the biggest thing which we've seen in the last 10 years is the way the public sector banks have come back and are competing with these private sector banks. They are not rolling out the line, right? They are able to compete with these private sector banks. They will remain. They are not going to disappear from the system. And with these new banks coming in, all that the bank needs to do, the bank cannot, irrespective of the, I mean, I'm not even going into other words. There is obviously not nice things happening in all the corpus, including in banks, right? What the bank cannot hide is an official transaction which goes through its system.
Cannot.
Right? Because it's a record in the incoming system, it's a record in the outgoing system, wherever it is going, right? A bank cannot hide a transaction if it goes through the banking system. If a bank cannot hide the transaction which goes through the banking system, when by law it is supposed to deduct 2% and give it to whatever else, a bank cannot hide that also.
That is fine.
Which means that anything else that the bank does, which you may or may not be able to control. I'm not saying कि अगर ये हो गया तो सब लोग सत्यवादी हरिश्चंद्र बन जाएंगे. It's not going to be like that. So all of that other stuff which happened, that will still happen. The system will be forced to deliver on the transaction which goes through the system, and no bank can hide a transaction which goes through its
ये
system.
हाइड नहीं. Today they are making 30% profits. Tomorrow they start making 50%.
No competition.
Why? They
Interest
won't
rates- they will
reduce
be
the
forced
prices
to
of
bring-
their
They will be
services.
forced to bring their interest rates down. Today, the reason why they charge you for every that fee income which they have, because under the core areas they are struggling. The economy is struggling.
उनको मालूम है capital crunch है.
They have non-performing assets, so then they are doing whatever they can. I'm not giving it that. All I'm saying is whether a bank makes a super profit or not will not impact this process as far as the robustness of this process is concerned. Whether the government will be able to collect money or not, that will happen.
My-
It has been demonstrated in the banking
You are
national.
coming from a question that the whole control will go to banks. That's what you are thinking.
Yeah, I mean, are you capping the profits then? You should actually say that they should
Why
not
should
make.
you cap profit?
The bank is supposed to play a very important role in the economy. Now they are the center of such huge profits, I would say, more than the corporates.
Because of goof-ups today in the system, because of goof-ups today, why they are playing with interest rate? Because of the goof-ups allowed. See, Reserve Bank is still there, right? We are not taking away the whole controlling bank machine. We are just putting a channel to collect taxes.
Why they are against profit?
Then correct. No, that's very
Not against
There
corporates.
is one- His point is valid. I'm saying this has nothing
It's
to
not
do
a
with
crime. It has become a crime because of black economy.
Why did Peter cry that so many banks will not
Yeah,
take
it's
that?
become a crime because it goes get saved.
So I think the cash transaction, as he said, will not attract tax. Now, as I said, you can buy a mobile phone worth rupees 15,000 rupees by cash. But if it doesn't work, you cannot put a lodge a complaint against it. That it means. That does not mean it stops you. The people who has 20 rupees per day income, they can sufficiently live in this cash amount, daily sabji wala, rickshaw wala, there is no problem. People ask me the same question that मैं को tax क्यों देना पड़ेगा, मैं तो अभी नहीं हूँ. बोला तुम्हारे लिए तो है ना cash problem, क्या करने का? You don't have to worry about tax system.
Sorry,
cash
I'm
happens.
asking one question.
Sure.
The net quantum of tax, the quantum that government will be getting the tax, will it increase or will it decrease under this?
The quantum of
Net quantum of the tax and
which government collects will increase.
how much?
Tax revenue, you are saying, or
Put
tax?
that, no? 30%.
Revenue. It will, see, I will tell you with 2% the calculation simulation is, it will collect 15 lakh crore against 11.65 lakh crore today.
15 from 11.
Yeah.
Which
It
is
will go up.
20-25%.
It will, no, it will go up with two, so whole cash economy comes in system, it will go up drastically.
It will go up, so what is it? It will go up by 15-20%. 20%.
And the first go, yes. And the first go, as the whole cash economy turns into banking,
It can be much higher.
which can be 40 lakh crore, it can be.
Now, if you see the EAB tax ratio collection currently, it is around 11%. Whereas if you see your tax structure, the tax structure is hovering around 25%. So ideally, the GDP tax collection should be in the range of 25%. That is the whole idea.
नहीं सर,
नहीं नहीं
It doesn't
बेसिकली आज सर 4 लाख करोड़ का टैक्स कलेक्ट ही नहीं होता है,
Our tax to GDP ratio is around 9%.
9%.
नहीं अभी 11% क्या हो गया?
It has come down. It's 9%. Anyway, it doesn't matter.
11% है. Now you're saying 2% transaction cost will make it will increase by roughly 15% or 20%. Whereas if you increase this tax compliance, which is increasing very fast in India right now, and if it goes to the natural level of somewhere around 20%, which is where the developed world, your tax collection goes by 100%. So why do you want to go to alternate system rather than improving the same system and making it more transparent?
वो improve नहीं हो सकता
So
सर।
one of the reasons why you have so much
Sir,
tax
We have done 3
is because of the exceptions that the government has given. It is not by chori. It is by so many exceptions that have been made that people try to find the root.
No, sir, if you see our GDP growth from last 40-50 years, and with respect to that you are saying tax collection is increasing, that's a false assumption. Our GDP has gone from where to where, sir? 2 trillion from where? And how is the tax collection gone up? Tell me that.
Tax collection has improved from 7% to somewhere around 11%.
It is nothing. That's what I'm trying to say. This system is not working. That's the whole issue, right? Otherwise, we will not deficit, right?
I'm not saying that it
Correct.
is working. I'm not saying it is not
Correct.
working. I'm saying if it is not working, theoretically it's not working. So there must be some flaw. So why should I not work to remove that flaw rather than implement a new set of law or altogether different set of law which is not time tested? Second, the money speed, if it increases, which is what the banking transaction do, and the sucking of the money from the system will not happen proportionately, it will be highly inflationary. Every time.
But how it will not happen properly?
Sir,
Sir,
no, why it cannot happen? Because you don't have a choice, the data point. Right now, you suck out the money from the system based on the historical experiences.